Hi friends, I'm super happy because I just received these QTwoof playing accessories for my pets. These toys, you get 20 toys. As you can see, they are nicely sized for medium-sized dogs. Oh, they even threw in some poop bags. That's nice of them. Thank you. And let me show you. Okay, you get all these toys, all of them nicely sized for a medium to small dog size. All of them have squeaking inside. So it will give a ton of fun to your pets, okay? So let's bring Milo to play with them. Okay, now we're gonna give Milo the toys. Okay. Milo, there are 20 of them. So as you can see, dogs are really, as you can see, the dogs are really happy with them. Milo. Because they sound, so he likes them a lot. Okay, he enjoys them. So if you have pets this size, small pets, medium-sized pets, these toys are great for them as they can play with them and have a lot of fun. Let's bring the other members of the family. As you can see, they play with them and they are really happy. They're running. As you can see, they are really happy with their toys. Thank you.